Let's do another awful cold start. It's been I don't know, it's been a while. Probably 3 weeks, just been sitting here. It's a 94 Oldsmobile Silhouette. It does things. I drove it to Chicago a couple months ago. Put an intake gasket on it. It's actually a pretty dang good car. Van. I also like them for some reason. So, you know. Yeah, it's fuel injection. I figured it'd start right up. This is a really great car. Like, really great van. I love it. The best part is the power door. Oh, I gotta unlock it first. Let's do that real quick. There we go. That's literally the best part. And the noise it makes when you shut it is like the greatest thing. I mean, come on. Can't get much more 90s than that. Yeah, I truly enjoy this stupid little thing.